walang makakita sa kanya, ay dali-dali niyang ibinulsa ang kaputol na taling iyon. Ngunit may isang kapitbahay pala niya na nakakita sa kanyang ginawa. Nang di kalaunan, ay may balitang kumalat na may nawawala daw na bag sa lugar na iyon na kinapupulutan ng mga magsasaka na kaputol na tali. Tinanong siya ng pulis kung may kinalaman siya sa mawawalang bag. Hindi maniwala ang pulis sa ipinagtapat na magsasaka na kaputol na tali lamang ang ibinulsa niya. Nagtawa ang pulis at pati na ang lahat ng nakarinig sa paliwanag ng magsasaka. Nagtungo siya sa lahat upang ipaliwanag ang katotohanan, ngunit wala rin maniwala sa kanya. Hindi siya nakatulog ng gabing iyon dahil sa pag-alala tungkol sa nangyari. Kinabukasan ay natagpuan ang nawawalang bag sa daan iyon, ngunit wala na itong laman. Natuwa ang magsasaka kaya't ibinalita niya iyon sa lahat ng tao. Ngunit naniwala ang lahat na siya ang kumuha ng bag at kinuha niya ang laman nito, at saka lamang niya itinapon ang bag na wala ng laman sa daan. Halos mawala sa sarili ang magsasaka sapagkat walang maniniwala sa kanya. Umuwi na siya at nag-isip siya ng nag-isip tungkol dito hanggang sa siya ay nagkasakit. Paulit-ulit na naninig mula sa kanyang bibig ang mga salitang ito, kaputol na tali lamang, kaputol na tali lamang. Hindi naglaon na matay ang magsasaka dahil sa pagkakasakit niyang ito. Diyan po mga kaibigan, nagtatapos ang kwento natin tungkol sa ang kaputol na tali. Ano pong aral ang mapupulot natin sa kwentong ito? Ang mga matatabil na dila ang pumapatay sa magsasakang iyon na wala namang ginawang masama. Ang matatabil na dilang iyon ay nagkasala laban sa magsasaka sapagkat sila ang nagkalat ng hindi totoo tungkol sa kanya. Kaya nga totoo ang kasibihang ito na merong masama sa pinakamabuti sa atin at meron ding mabuti sa pinakamasama sa atin. Kung kaya hindi nararapat para sa atin ang magsalita ng masama labang sa iba. Kaiwasan po natin ang mga paninira at pag-chichismis o ang tinatawag panghusga. Iwasan po natin na tayo makasakit ng damdamin. Iwasan natin na tayo makasakit ng tao. Kaya magsabi tayo palagi ng totoo. Sabi nga, if you don't have anything to say, keep your mouth shut. Ito po puli si Father Butch Bombase na nagbibigay sa inyo at magbibigay pa sa inyo ng maraming kwento.
Atin pong pakinggan ang mga pasabi mula sa Basilica Minore ng Manawag. The Feast of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manawag will be on October 1, 2017, first Sunday of October. Novena Masses will begin on September 22 to September 30, 2017, every hour from 5 o'clock in the morning to 12 high noon. There will also be a Novena in Mass at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We invite you to participate in the said Novena Masses. Tune in to 102.5 FM, Manawag Dominican Radio, for the live airing of Novena in Mass at 7 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can also tune in and log on to our website at www.aradioportal.com or watch live at www.radyomanawag.com. You can also follow us on Facebook at Manawag Dominican Radio and on YouTube, Manawag Dominican Radio FM. Here is the schedule of Barangay BEC Saturday Masses at 4:30 in the afternoon for the month of July 2017. July 1, BEC Babasit West, and BEC Madriaga. July 8, BEC Pugaro, BEC Kabawangan, BEC Namakpakan, and BEC Baginay. July 15, BEC Tebel East, BEC Pao, and BEC Lipit. July 22, BEC Baritaw, BEC Babasit East, and BEC Sapang. And that's the schedule of Barangay BEC Saturday Masses at 4:30 in the afternoon for the month of July 2017. The El Shaddai Manawag chapter will hold its 26th Blessed Anniversary. Mass and Healing Rally on July 20, 2017 from 12 high noon to 5 o'clock in the afternoon at Manawag Pilgrim Center with the theme Courage Before God. El Shaddai 26th Blessed Anniversary. El Shaddai 26th Blessed Anniversary. Atin pong napakinggan ang mga pasabi mula sa Basilica Minore ng Manawag. Listen to Manawag Dominican Radio and watch live through our website at www.radyomanawag.com for the live mass on air from 6 o'clock in the morning and 11 o'clock in the morning every day and 5 o'clock in the afternoon from Monday to Friday and 4:30 in the afternoon every Saturday and 4 o'clock in the afternoon every Sunday. You may also visit the official website of Minor Basilica of Manawag at www.manawagbasilica.org for the different activities and other announcements. May kasama ka si Jesus, si Maria at kami. Halina at sama-samang makinig sa programang Ang Kristiyanong Pamilya at Iba Pa ni Kuya Bobot at Ate Lea mula Lunes hanggang Sabado alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng umaga at alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng gabi. Ayain at isama ang buong pamilya sa panonood at pakikinig. Log on sa our website at www.radyomanawag.com. Ang Kristiyanong Pamilya at Iba Pa, ang programang hitik at puno ng talakayang napapanahon. Ang opinyon mo at saloobin ay napakahalaga para sa mga pangarap at ambisyon ng bawat isa. Sama-sama tayong magbigay ng impormasyon, edukasyon at inspirasyon sa bawat isa at sa buong pamilya at salipunan. Ang Kristiyanong Pamilya at Iba Pa ni Kuya Bobot at Ate Lea mula Lunes hanggang Sabado alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng umaga at alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng gabi dito lamang sa 102.5 FM Manawag Dominican Radio. May kasama ka si Jesus, si Maria at kami. More than ever, we need Catholic radio station like Manawag Dominican Radio FM.
Whenever you're alone, just turn your radio on. It will comfort you with the songs of love, with words from our God. 'Cause you have a company, you have a friend in here. Manawag Dominican Radio, with the songs that call you to God. You have a company, 'cause we are a family. Manawag Dominican Radio, with the songs that bring you to God. You have Manawag Dominican Radio FM.
Paypay ang mga likha ng ating kamay. Siya ang buhay na di nabubuhay at nagbibigay buhay. Tayong lahat ay babaguhin ang lahat. Tayong lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin, babaguhin. At ang lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin ang lahat. Napapagal ang hinihimpilang pansamantalang lupang katawan. Siya ang bukal na pinagmumulan ng diwa ng walang hanggan. Tayong lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin, babaguhin. At ang lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin ang lahat. Tayong lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin, babaguhin. At ang lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin ang lahat. Papahirin ang bawat luha, kamatayan di nabanta. At magiging kasalamuha na ng bayan ang may likha. Tayong lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin, babaguhin. At ang lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin ang lahat. Tayong lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin, babaguhin. At ang lahat ay babaguhin, babaguhin ang lahat.
Welcome to the program Afternoon Delight
Afternoon Delight.
with Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam. Only here at 102.5 FM. Manawag Dominican Radio. May kasama ka, si Jesus, si Maria at kami.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
Good afternoon, this is Manawag Radio. Andito naman ho tayo para sa programang Afternoon Delight. Makakasama nyo kami mula alauna hanggang alas 5 ng hapon.
Welcome again! Dito lang sa 102.3 FM, 102.5 FM, sorry. Dito lang po sa Manawag Dominican Radio. At welcome ulit sa ating programa tuwing Lunes ng hapon, ang Afternoon Delight. At syempre, makakasama nyo pa rin ang mga nagagandahang dilag. Syempre, ang inyong lingkod, Kasamang Yam. At syempre,
At ako naman si kasamang Jody.
ayan. So, good afternoon po muli sa inyong lahat, mga kasama. At syempre, bago po tayo ulit mag-umpisa, unahin mo natin syempre ang manalangin. Ayan. So, in the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit.
As we gather here in the harbor of your safety, we thank you for fellowship and family. We ask that you will strengthen us, restore us, and inspire us with your love. Lord, would you fill us with your peace so that as we journey onwards, we would pour out your love and grace to others. We ask that our souls would catch the wind of your Spirit, so that we could take your promises to all the earth. Amen.
In the Father, the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Ayan, so magandang hapon muli sa inyong lahat, mga kasama. Kasama Jody, kamusta ang iyong linggo? Ayan.
So far, sobrang okay naman ang aking linggo, though minsan medyo na kinakabahan dahil every hapon umuulan at natutulugan ko yung aking mga labahan.
Ayun lang.
Yes, yun
dapat lagi tayong ready.
Yes.
Kasi hindi natin masabi ngayon yung panahon.
Babago-bago.
True. Ayan, kundi masabi, mamaya mainit, tapos maya-maya andyan na yung ulan.
Yes.
And so, babatiin muna natin kasamang Jody ating mga kasamahan na sina kasamang Ace, sina kasamang Moy, at also sina kasamang Sky, pati na rin ang ating boss na si kasamang Cool na panigurado nakatutok sa atin. At syempre, wag natin kalilimutan ang ating kasamang si JT. Ayan, nakasalukuyan na doon sa kanila. Medyo busy ata sila ngayon. Ayan. So, may babatiin ka ba kasamang Jody?
Yes, of course. Binabati ko yung aking mama na nakikinig lagi dyan. Hello, ma.
Ayan, good afternoon po. Batiin na rin natin yung ating mga valuable employee ng ating Minor Basilica. Pati na rin ang mga bumubuo po ng mga Dominican family, sa ating mga fathers, and also sa ating mga Dominican brothers, pati na rin sa ating mga manong guards, lahat po na empleyado mula sa kitchen section hanggang sa laundry. Ayan na po, lahat-lahat na lang natin. Ayan. So, pati na rin,
of course, binabati din natin yung mga vendors na nasa paligid ng simbahan. And of course, yung mga manong driver dyan, mag-ingat-ingat po, laging magdala ng panangga sa ulan.
Ayan, so ingat-ingat lang po sa mga bumabiyahe. Ayan, yes. Po. Good afternoon din sa dyan sa may public market ng Manawag, kasi minsan napadaan ako dyan, nakatutok sila sa atin. So, maraming salamat po, at syempre, pwede nyo kami bisitahin sa aming website
sa www.radyomanawag.com, sa www.eradioportal.com, sa manawagbasilica.org/radyomanawag, and of course sa aming Facebook and Twitter account sa Manawag Dominican Radio FM @gmail.com.
Ayan, sa mga gusto naman magpaabot ng kanilang pagbati through text, open po ang aming text line sa numerong 0932 749-5154. Ayan, pwede nyo rin po kaming mapanood. Pwede rin po kayo mag-message sa amin through sa aming YouTube channel po. Ayan, so search nyo lamang po ang Manawag Dominican Radio, tsaka click nyo lang po yung subscribe, and then meron pong doon po sa may right section, nandun po yung live chat. Yan, pwede po kayong mag-iwan ng mga messages nyo kung may gusto po kayong mga gustong ipaabot, o kaya may mga requested songs po kayo. Ayan po, pwede po kayo mag-iwan ng mga messages nyo po. Ayan, so kasama Jody, balikan natin ng ating mga greetings later on. So, first batch of song muna tayo, coming from Darren Espanto. Ayan.
Kay Julian San Jose and Journey and Mariah Carey.
Ayan. So, keep on listening lamang mga kasama dito lang sa Manawag Dominican Radio
102.5 FM.
Have you ever reached a rainbow's end? And did you find your pot of gold? Oh, ever catch a shooting star? Tell me, how high did you soar? Ever felt like you were dreaming, just to find that you're awake, and the magic that surrounds you can lift you up and guide you on your way? I can see it in the stars across the sky. I've dreamt 100,000 dreams before, and now I finally realized. You see, I'm waiting all my life for this moment to arrive, and finally, oh,
yes, I said I believe. Oh, love keeps lifting me higher. Love keeps lifting me. Yes, it's lifting me higher. Love keeps lifting me. Yeah, you should try for yourself now. Yeah, 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 it's lifting me higher, higher, higher. Love keeps lifting me Cause I believe, it's lifting me
It's time for Afternoon Delight. Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
First time I laid my eyes on someone like you, I can't forget the hour, that moment with you. Then I have realized love's growing deep inside. I feel the beating of my heart. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking up the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there. Spending my days and nights just thinking of you. How you make me wanna smile with the things that you do. When will I hear you say love's coming on your way, and then you start to feel the same? 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking up the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking up the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms. 'Cause every day, every night, I keep looking up the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms and love will never end. We belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there.
faded wedding photograph, you and me in our first dance. Our eyes are closed, we're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days the world has changed, but our love remains the same. God knows we've had our share of saving grace, and I'm proud of all the blessings you have given me. The mountains we have climbed to get this far. Learn to take the laughter with the tears after all these years. You make it feel brand new after the fires that we walked through. Against the odds we never lost our faith. In a house we've made our own, where our children all have grown. Precious moments time cannot erase. Make a living of it down the gypsy highways. Seasons that we've had to share apart. Somehow in my heart I always keep you near. After all these years, after all these years, you stood by me the days and nights that I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed, believed in me, and you stood strong. 'Cause with our love, there's nothing left to fear. After all these years. After all these years, you stood by me the days and nights that I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed, believed in me, and you stood strong. 'Cause with our love, there's nothing left to fear. After all these years.
Kasama natin to.
I had it all, but I let it slip away. Couldn't see how to read it wrong. Now I wander around, feeling down and cold, trying to believe that you're gone. Love takes time to heal when you're hurting so much. Couldn't see that I was blind to let you go. I can't escape the pain inside, 'cause love takes time.
The Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
Manawag Dominican Radio.
Minamasdan kita nang hindi mo alam. Pinapangarap kong ikaw ay akin. Mapupulang labi at matingkad mong ngiti, umaabot hanggang sa langit. Huwag ka lang titingin sa'kin at baka matunaw ang puso kong sabihin. Sa iyong ngiti ako'y nahuhumaling, at sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil para lang sa'yo. Ang awit ng aking puso, sana'y mapansin mo rin ang lihim kong pagtingin. Minamahal kita nang di mo alam. Huwag ka sanang magagalit. Tinamaan yata talaga ang aking puso, na dati akala ko'y manhid. Hindi pa rin makalapit, inuunahan ng kaba sa aking dibdib. Sa iyong ngiti ako'y nahuhumaling, at sa tuwing ikaw ay lalapit, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil. Ang pangalan mo sinisigaw ng puso, sana'y madama mo rin ang lihim kong pagtingin. Sa iyong ngiti ako'y nahuhumaling, sa iyong ngiti sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil para lang sa'yo. Sana ay mapansin mo rin ang lihim kong pagtingin. Sa iyong ngiti
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
Yes, welcome back to 102.5 FM.
Ayan, meron na po tayong 42 minutes after the hour of 1 at patuloy pa rin po tayo sa ating programang Afternoon Delight. Ayan, so magandang hapon muli. At syempre, first batch of greetings muna tayo mga kasama. Galing po sa mga nag-like po ng pages sa ating Facebook po. Ayan, so magandang hapon kay Rene de la Vega Ramos, kay Dominador Villanueva, kay Joey Malagayo, and to Mais Agbayan, kay Joyce Nones, kay Star Rose, kay Eugene Quijada, to Lilibet Bautista, and to Ruby Muyano Carrion. Good afternoon po.
Yes, good afternoon din po kay May Peke, kay Rudes Lady Hershey, kay Love Hurts, kay Joron Nases, kay Julie Grino, kay Zoe May Formoso, kay Sally Aquino, kay Estrella De Vera at kay Marieta Progreso.
Ayan, hello and good afternoon also kay Mila Mejia Torio, kay Jeff Vizcarra, kay John Michael Santos Dingal, kay Livy Lemon Merced, kay Bernadette Abat Tobias, kay Jenny, kay Leonela Galsim Lanorio, and also kay Angelo Jake Benyola. Ayan. Good afternoon po.
Yes, good afternoon din kay Christy Pascua Almero, kay Maribel Villarico Espinosa Castres, kay Ier Trado, kay Gretchen Villamil, kay John Mark, kay Josie Raider, kay Melly Espinoza Galapon, kay Sally Reyes, and kay Maria Vanessa Macaraeg.
Ayan, kaway-kaway din kay Ma'am Vilma Allen, kay Neilay Corpus Cachela, kay Nikki Viray, kay Arlet Tamayo Esteban, kay Ann Marcelo, kay Ion Operanya Casison, kay Richard Sanchez, and to Tomadilin Bromeo Amper. Ayan.
Ayan, good afternoon din kay Mitchell Eric Natnat, kay Jonaline Malaga Lumataw, kay Jose Emmanuel Hailey Ramos, kay Selvi Bovet Dont, kay Selvia Serafin, kay Jinx Corio, at kay NC Rodriguez.
Ayan, binabati din natin ng maligayang kaarawan ng lahat po ng mga nagsiselebrate po ng kanilang mga kaarawan sa araw na ito. Ayan, so happy birthday po sa inyo. So mga gusto po pong magpaabot ng kanilang pagbati through text, open lang ang aming linya sa 0932-749-5154. Ayan, so wala ka pa babatiin kasamang Jody?
Ayan, binabati ko nga pala yung mga friends ko, kay Giselle, kay Noel, at kay Rampol. Hello, good afternoon sa inyo.
Ayan, so another batch of song po tayo. So dito lang po, makinig lamang dito sa Manawag Dominican Radio
102.5 FM.
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan sa may kapal, walang iwanan, taginit o tagulan, haharapin bawat unos na magdaan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawin kahapon ng bukas. Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa, tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya sa isa't isa. Tayo ay sumasandal, bawat hangad kayang abutin, sa pangambay di paalipin. Basta't ikaw, ako, tayo, magpakailanman. Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung magkamali akong ika'y saktan, puso mo ba'y handang magpatawad? Gagawin kung mawala ka. Buhay ko'y may kahulugan tuwing ako'y iyong hagkan. Umabot man sa ating huling hantungan, kapit puso kitang hahayaan, ngayon at kailanman. Ikaw at ako,
The Afternoon Delight
at 102.5
Manawag Dominican Radio.
When I was dreaming about you, baby, you were dreaming of me. Call
Subukan natin to.
Moments of love, close beside you in the warm firelight, all through the night.
It's just you and me, making music to the beat of our heart, lost in the stars. Moments of love, bringing us closer together. Sweet memories, I know we'll remember forever. Moments of love.
My love, my friend,
My friend,
I can tell you all the things that I feel. All of this real.
here in your arms, I feel just like I could do anything. You've given me wings. Moments of love, bringing us closer together. Sweet memories, I know we'll remember forever. Moments of love, trading photographs and letters, signed I love you. Promises we made and kept, and dreams that came true. Dreams that came true. Moments of love, bringing us closer together. Sweet memories, I know we'll remember forever. And day after day, we'll fill our lives with moments of love.
It's time for Afternoon Delight. Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
I try, but I can't seem to get myself to think of anything but you. Your breath on my face, your warm
time now is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Let us now have our time check prayer.
Salamat sa iyo, Panginoong Yesus, sapagkat binigyan mo ako ng pagkakataon turuan ang aking mga mag-aaral araw-araw. Pagpalain mo ang aking isip, O Panginoon, upang maituro ko sa kanila ang karunungang kailangan nila sa buhay. Pagpalain mo ang aking mga mata, O Panginoon, upang makita ko sa bawat isa sa kanila. Pagpalain mo ang aking mga labi, O Panginoon, upang maipahayag ko sa kanila ang katotohanan tungkol sa lahat ng bagay at sa gayoy magabayan sila sa buhay. Pagpalain mo ang aking puso, O Panginoon, upang mahalin ko ang aking mga mag-aaral katulad ng pagmamahal mo sa akin. Pagpalain mo ang aking mga kamay, O Panginoon, upang maituro ko sa kanila ang mga kasanayang kailangan at sa gayoy makahanap sila ng maayos na ikakabuhay. At bilang panghuli, pagpalain mo ang buong kong pagkatao, O Panginoon, upang ako'y maging buhay na halimbawa ng lahat ng mabubuting bagay na itinuturo ko sa kanila. Ang lahat nito ay hinihingi namin sa ngalan ni Kristo. Amen.
Mula sa Manawag Dominican Broadcasting Incorporated, napapakinggan sa buong mundo sa pamamagitan ng www.eradioportal.com at www.radyomanawag.com. May kasama ka si Jesus, si Maria at kami.
102.5, 102.5. 102.5 plays more music. 102.5.
Something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you've built a love, but that love falls apart. Your little piece of heaven turns to dark. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why, but listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. Sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are all lost in the tide. Yeah, they're swept away, and nothing is what it seems. The feeling of belonging to your dreams. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why, but listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. And there are voices that want to be heard. to mention, but you can't find the words. The scent of magic, the beauty that's been when love was wilder than the wind. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. But listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. Listen to your heart. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
Ayan, welcome back po mga kasama sa ating programang Afternoon Delight. At meron na po tayong 6 na minuto pagkaraan po ng oras ng 2:00. Ayan, so kasamang Jody.
Yes, good afternoon po mga kasama.
Ayan, so babatiin ulit natin another batch of ating mga Facebook likers. Ayan, so
binabati natin ng good afternoon si Kaizi de la Merced Vizcara, si Abel B. Quinto, si Culinaris Angie, si Dory Bugtong, kay Zimi Niao Salal, kay Main Charm, kay Geneva de Vera, kay JJ, kay Cyrene Manalo Kitain, kay Sofia Dumantay at kay Janice Amor. Good afternoon po.
ayan, hello and good afternoon din sa aking kapatid na nasa Kuwait na si Mary Chris Eserio, pati na rin sa kaibigan ko si Kenboy Tizon. Ayan, chill-chill lang parikoy. Huwag masyadong mainitin ang ulo, ha? Ayan, pati na rin sa aking nanay na nasa may Bunuan Bukig. Pati na rin sa aking hipag na si Leia at sa aking pamangkin na cute na si sa dami ng pamangkin ko, si Dre. Ayan, good afternoon. Ayan, so babatiin pa natin ng good afternoon si Janice Amor, si Riza Yakitin Galia, kay Rhea Yakitin Dizon, kay Mona Padua Aborot, kay Mayet Austria, kay Grace Kabakungan, and to Teddy Flores, kay Mary Ann, kay Carlo Apilianes, and to Virgilio Junior De Vera.
Ayan, good afternoon din kay Maureen Untalan, kay Hilda Gomez, kay Padilla de la Cruz Julie Vic, kay Jade Enriquez, kay Jelly Viray Paule, kay Rechi DJ Juan, kay Mark Ashley Madrid T at kay Jewel Diamond.
Ayan, pati na rin sa kina Claring Yambao Carbonel, kay Aya Paras, kay Marilu Dataylo, Datalil Leo. Ano ba yan? To Arlene Songkuan, to Johnny Balingit, kay Jelay Soriana Fernandez, kay Jobert Samson, and to Larry Hilario. Ayan. And we also have yan tuloy. We also have text messages po galing po kay Ma'am Nancy ng San Fabian. Sabi po niya, Afternoon Delight mga kasama, kasamang Yam and Judy. What a beautiful atmosphere we have today, and inspiring song. Come again in the ears of radio listeners as I am here. Thanks daw kasi nandito kami para sa inyo. Syempre, lagi po kami narito para lang po sa inyo. Para po handugan kayo ng mga awitin at saka mga inspirational na mga mensahe galing po syempre sa ating Panginoon. Ayan. So, speaking of positivity. Ito po, isa pong, mag-share po kami ng positive thoughts o kaya positive quotes po para po sa inyo. Ayan.
Yes, it says na always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things were, tomorrow's a fresh opportunity to make it better.
Ayan, very well said, kasamang Jody. Ayan, so, wag po nating kaligtaang isipin na lahat po ng pinagdadaanan natin, kahit ano man pong bigat ng pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon, always think po na may maganda pong maidudulot yun sa atin sa kinabukasan or sa susunod pang panahon. Ayan, so may rason po yung Panginoon kung bakit po tayo binibigyan ng ganun mabigat man o kaya magaan na problema. May positivity na magandang maidudulot po sa atin yon. Ayan, so another batch of song na naman po tayo mga kasama. So dito lang po sa Manawag Dominican Radio 102.5 FM. May kasama ka si Susie Maria at kami. Ayan.
These clouds aren't going nowhere, baby. Rain keeps coming down. I just thought I'd try to call you, baby. For you got too far out of town. And I hope that you get this message that I'm leaving for you. 'Cause I hate that you left without hearing the words that I needed you to. And I hope you find it, what you're looking for. And I hope it's everything you dreamed your life could be, so much more. And I hope you're happy wherever you are. I wanted you to know that, and nothing's gonna change that. And I hope you find it. Am I supposed to hang around and wait forever? The last words that I said, but that was nothing but a broken heart talking, baby. You know that wasn't what I meant. Call me up, let me know that you got this message I'm leaving for you. 'Cause I hate that you left without hearing the words that I needed you to. And I hope you find it, what you're looking for. And I hope it's everything you dreamed your life could be, and so much more. And I hope you're happy wherever you are. I wanted you to know that, and nothing's gonna change that. And I hope you find whatever it is out there that you were missing here. And I hope you find it, what you're looking for. And I hope it's everything you dreamed your life could be, and so much more. And I hope you're happy wherever you are. I wanted you to know that, and nothing's gonna change that. No, no, no. I hope you find it.
natin to.
Mula sa Manawag Dominican Broadcasting Incorporated, napapakundo sa pamamagitan ng www.
The Afternoon Delight
at 102.5
Manawag Dominican Radio.
Sa bawat ara't gabi, ala-ala ayoko at ikaw. Pero huwag kang mabahala, ako'y umiling na sa tala. Sa huli tayo. Kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa dulo laging may bahari. Magkaiba man ang mundo, walang bumagyo, ikaw pa rin at ang init na iyong yakap. Ang siyang laging hanap-hanap, makasama ka sa tuwing ng pangarap. Kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa dulo laging may baghari. Magkaiba man ang mundo, umulan, bumagyo, bumahalo, minto, magkahawak kamay, pangako, ikaw pa rin at ako.
102.5 FM, 102.5 FM.
102.5 FM. Manawag Dominican Radio.
I was talking last night to a friend who was thinking he might risk it all for a moment of lust and adventure. So I told him, you can live every day like your last. Pay the price and the moment will pass. It's too late and there's no second chance. If it's over, you got nothing. Well, I've been there. The grass was just fine on this side, because I've been there. There's no getting back on that ride. There's no replacing the love you
102.5.
Here we are, sharing our lives. We made it through the good and bad times, and still we stand with hope in our hearts. No matter what, we will play our part. And now we've come so far, one chance to touch a star, go higher and higher. Find your guiding inspiration in a place where dreams are made. With a lifetime's preparation, it's no time to be afraid. Put our differences behind us while we shine like the sun. See what we've all become. Together we are one. Deep inside your heart and soul, you work so hard to reach your goal. With every step, with every breath, you gave it all till there was nothing left. Seek out the strength to win. No thoughts of giving in. Go higher and higher. Find your guiding inspiration in a place where dreams are made. With a lifetime's preparation, it's no time to be afraid. Put our differences behind us while we shine like the sun. See what we've all become. Together we are Find your guiding inspiration in a place where dreams are made. With a lifetime's preparation, it's no time to be afraid. Put our differences behind us while we shine like the sun. See what we've all become. Together we are one. Together we put our differences behind us. See what we've all become. Together we are one.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
Good afternoon. Welcome back to Manawag Dominican Radio. Ating oras 2:30 p.m.
Ayan, so meron na po tayong 30 minutes. Pagkaraan ng oras ng alas 2. Ayan. So, sa mga kaka-tune in lang po, pwede nyo kami bisitahin sa aming website sa www.radyomanawag.com, sa www.aradioportal.com, at syempre sa manawagbasilica.org. Pwede nyo rin po kaming i-check or mag-iwan ng mensahe sa aming Facebook and Twitter account sa Manawag Dominican Radio FM manawag@gmail.com. Ayan. So,
Yes, and maaari nyo din kaming i-text sa aming cellphone number sa 0932-749-5154.
ayan. And also sa ating YouTube.
So, yes, sa aming YouTube, i-search nyo lang ang Manawag Dominican Radio, then click subscribe, then dun sa gilid nun, makikita nyo na yung live chat.
Ayan. So, keep on subscribing po mga kasama. Keep on tuning po sa amin. At nang sa gayon po, makakapag-participate po tayo kahit po nasa malayo tayo. And, by the way, magandang hapon po sa lahat po ng mga kababayan natin abroad. Ayan, na walang sawang nakasubaybay sa atin. Maski sa every post po sa Facebook, ayan po, andyan po sila, walang sawa, nagla-like, nagbibigay po ng love reaction. Ayan po, maraming salamat po. Sana ipagpatuloy nyo pa rin po na suportahan po ang Radyo Manawag. Ayan, so let's move on sa ating mga greetings. So, ayan, kasama Jody, Heret.
So, yes, hello and good afternoon kay kay Marilu Datalyo, kay Allen Sungkuan, kay Johnny Balingit, kay Jelay Soriano Fernandez, kay Jovert Samson, kay Larry Hilario, kay Ace Tabilin, kay Jeff Solitario, kay Maria Andrea Guevara Masamok, and kay Arturo M. Tandok Jr.
Ayan, hi din kay Teresa Itable, kay Dredlim, ayan, Kadak, Kadasyo, mga ganyan yan kasi medyo binabalik-baliktad nila. Ayan, kay Jenny Valdez Pera, kay Jonas Caspilian, kay Jose David, kay Sally Rivera, kay Ofelia, kay Abiab Villodres, kay Dana Nicole Madriaga Lamar, kay Angelina Brumuela, kay Geraldine Parangan and Rose Garcia. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon din kay Joanne Ismabe, kay Wilma Boy Revilla, kay Dima May Madrid Mata, kay Joel Fernandez, kay Johnny C. Guzman, kay John Villaruel, kay Derek Debbie Almazan, at kay Robert Munoz.
Hello din kay Luis Austria, kay Almazan Vesperas Debbie, kay Ray Enriquez, kay Kaisel, kay Janice Chris Quintilian, to Vilma Sornet Salopaso. Ayan, good afternoon din kay Magana Lanti Carla. Magangganan to Ayan, kay Alex Joseph Estorque and to Joel Robelio. Ayan, so another positive quotes po para lang po sa inyo mga kasama.
So yan, according to Dr. Seuss, be who you are and say what you feel. Because those who mind don't matter, and those who matter don't mind.
Ayan, so sabi nga, kung ikaw, kung feel mo maging masaya at komportable sa bawat ginagawa mo, go lang ng go, as long as wala ka natatapahang tao, go lang, wag mo nang pakialam, wala nang kiber-kiber kung ano man yung mga sabihin nila sa'yo. Ayan. As long as alam mong tama yung ginagawa mo, basta hindi siya mali, go lang.
Yes.
Diba, kasama Jody?
Yes, that's right.
Ayan, so, magbabalik na naman po kami pagkaraan po nitong batch of songs na naman po natin. So, keep on tuning lamang po dito lang sa Manawag Dominican Radio
102.5 FM.
I wanna tell you, baby, the changes I've been going through, missing you, till you come back to me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. No, 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 no. Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh, baby. I love you. Yeah, I really do. Long ago, and oh so far away, I fell in love with you. Before the second show, and your guitar, and you sound so sweet and clear, but you're not really here. It's just the radio. Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh, baby. Yeah, I love you. I really do. To be on, to be on. Yeah, 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 yeah. You look for me to be on. You want my love, but you're on the road. Don't you remember me anymore? Loneliness is such a sad thing. A sad thing. And I can't hardly wait to be with you again. And what to say to make you come again. Oh, honey, come on back to me again. Yeah. I wanna be anywhere you are. Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby, 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 ooh, baby, oh, baby, yes, I love you gonna say? It's alright, it's alright. Ooh, baby, it's alright, it's alright. Alright now. Keep it right there, keep it right there. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's alright, it's alright. Ooh, baby, it's alright, it's alright. Say it's alright, it's alright. Say, ooh, baby, it's alright, it's alright. Alright now.
The Afternoon Delight
at 102.5
Manawag Dominican Radio.
Mahal kita, pero mahal kita, pero mahal kita, pero di pwede kinanay, di pwede kitatay. Ayaw ni tito at ni tita. Mapili si ate, pati si kuya. Stricto si lolo at si lola. Mag-aral raw muna o mas bigyan ng oras ang pamilya. Pero tandaan mo to, mahal na mahal kita. Mahal kita, pero mahal kita, pero mahal kita, pero bata pa tayo, di ko pa kaya. Marami pa tayong inasikaso. At baka rin posibleng sa iba ka pang magkagusto. Ang oras muna ay hayang palipasin. Pag tama na ang panahon, pwede mo na kong lambingin. Mahal kita, pero mahal kita, pero mahal kita, pero alam mo naman, ilang beses ko nang pinaramdam. Ilang beses na rin kitang sinabihan na ako ay babalik. Nang handa kang mahalin at alagaan. Yeah, yeah, mahal kita, pero mahal kita, pero mahal kita, pero
Have you seen the sunset fade beneath the rain cloud? Have you ever chased your dreams away? Did you ever think that life was just a highway, a never-ending road of lonely days? There are times we cry and reach out to the sky for the strength we need to hold our head up high. Oh, all we have to do now is love one another. Sisters and brothers can all live as one. All we have to do now is show one another we all need each other to live as one in love. Have you seen the sunrise promising you daylight when all you need is shelter from the storm? Did you ever feel like love was just an island? You can't survive a love all on your own. Oh, there are times when I need to reach inside for the strength I need to hold my head up high. Oh, all we have to do now is love one another. Sisters and brothers can all live as one. All we have to do now is show one another we all need each other to live as one in love. If you push aside the blame for the tears and the pain, you know love can rain and the world will smile again. If you push aside the blame for the tears and the pain, you know love can rain and the world will smile again. The world will smile again. All we have to do now is love one another. Sisters and brothers can all live as one. And all we have to do now is show one another we all need each other to live as one in like one in
It's time for Afternoon Delight. Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
Narito ang pag-ibig ko, ibibigay ng buong buo. Nangangarap ng mag-isa, umaasa na makapiling ka. Narito ang buhay ko, naghalaan para sa iyo. Naghihintay ng pag-asa na sana Pangarap na lang ba ito? Kaya kong gawin, ngunit di kayang sabihin ang pag-ibig ko. Sana'y mapansin.
Listen, 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 listen. Listen to 102.5 FM.
Manawag Dominican Radio, may kasama ka si Jesus, si Maria at kami.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, you're gonna leave 'em all in You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time to know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, you're gonna leave 'em all in Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go, as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, you're gonna leave 'em all in Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon.
Our 3 o'clock afternoon prayer.
Panalangin sa ikatatlo ng hapon. Pumanaw ka, Jesus, subalit ang bukal ng buhay ay bumalong para sa mga kaluluwa at ang karagatan ng awa ay bumugso para sa sanlibutan. O bukal ng buhay, walang hanggang awa ng Diyos. Yakapin mo ang sangkatauhan at ibuhos mong ganap ang iyong sarili para sa aming lahat. O banal na dugo at tubig na dumadaloy mula sa puso ni Jesus bilang bukal ng awa para sa aming lahat, ako ay nananalig sa iyo. Banal na Diyos, banal na puspos ng kapangyarihan, banal na walang hanggan, maawa po kayo sa amin at sa buong sansinukob. Banal na Diyos, banal na puspos ng kapangyarihan, banal na walang hanggan, maawa po kayo sa amin at sa buong sansinukob. Banal na Diyos, banal na puspos ng kapangyarihan, banal na walang hanggan, maawa po kayo sa amin at sa buong sansinukob. Amen. O Jesus, Hari ng awa, kami ay nananalig sa iyo.
Mula sa Manawag Dominican Broadcasting Incorporated, napapakinggan sa buong mundo sa pamamagitan ng www.eradioportal.com at www.radyomanawag.com. May kasama ka si Jesus, si Maria at kami.
The Afternoon Delight
with kasamang JT and kasamang Yam.
Ayan, welcome back sa ating programang Afternoon Delight dito lang sa Manawag Dominican Radio.
Yes, it's 3:02 p.m.
Ayan, so good afternoon pa rin mga kasama. Ayan, 3:00 na po, oras na po ng merienda. So, sa mga nanay dyan na nasa kanilang mga tahanan, tune in lamang po at saka medyo easy na lang po tayo dyan mga nanays. Pati na rin sa mga driver natin dyan, sa mga manong driver natin na nasa kanilang mga biyahe. Inaanyayahan po namin kayo na makinig po sa ating programa. And also, good afternoon din sa aking pinsan dyan sa may Bunan Booking na si Janet Satorno at tsaka sa lolo ko na si Lolo Tony. Ayan, good afternoon. So, move on na naman tayo sa ating mga greetings. So, hit it. Kasama Jody.
So yes, hello and good afternoon sa mga nakikinig. Hello and good afternoon kay Sherwin Macapagal, kay Maria Teresa Abalos, kay Hinaro Palang Manawis, kay Raymond Agbada, kay Naason Bayawa, kay Riza Azia Ulanday, kay Mageline Senyosa, kay Mark Zeus Romnieto at kay Sonia Sison.
Ayan, good afternoon. Hi also kay Julius Madriaga, kay Angeline Arambolo Bondok, kay Roland Magpusaw, kay Shirley Periac. Hi also kay Stephanie De La Cruz, kay Bam Saliendra, kay Jenny Cabagtong, kay Rogeline, kay Lilian Canlas, kay Jonaline Season Antonio, kay Emeline Perez, kay Ira Balonsay, and to Lee Mateo.
Yes, hello and good afternoon din kay Maribeth Mitrillo, kay Maria Teresa Lopez, kay Binilda Nepas Perfinian, kay John Aldrin Atienza, kay Liza Cornel Dumaran, kay John Istuesta Jr. at kay Steven Apollo Candelaria.
Ayan, good afternoon din at maraming salamat sa pag-like sa ating page kay Meribeth Kabuslay, kay Danica Borloza Sonza, kay Taba Choi, kay Mian Adrid Arsenas, kay San Miguel Arc, kala ko San Miguel Bierna eh. Ayan, to Ivan Alina Buenaventura, kay Mary Jean Olihario Osotio, and to Anton Ocampo. Hi and good afternoon kay Jeffrey Santos, kay Jayen Mireles. Ayan, and to Rebecca Vergara Javier.
So yes, hello and good afternoon din kay Nicole Barroso, kay JC Untalan, kay Lori Ramos Minor, kay Mel Paz Ventura Jr., kay AJ Galsem, kay Jennifer Mujeca Natividad, kay Janice Medina Soriano, at kay Jacinto Loteza Simora.
Ayan. Hi, good afternoon din kay Robbie Rose Lim, kay Marilo Hilapo, Ricalde, kay Paul Henry Flores, kay Dosono Agnes, kay Naomi. Ayan. To Romel Bagaw, kay Flor Gibagafona, kay JB, kay Bulalat Babolat Wilson Head, kay Ann Julie Akende Tomenes. Ayan. And to hi din kay Che Catalan Villaruel.
So yes, hi and good afternoon din kay Shell De Leon, kay Ken Season, kay Desiree Montelegre, kay Joshua Andre Macaranyag Akan, kay Dennis Inakay, kay Sharon Inakay, kay Clex Colette, kay Rowena Ribuya, and
also kay Jake De Vera Soriano. Ayan, so we will move on again sa ating mga greetings. After na naman po ng batch of song coming from Eureka, kay Aaron Carter, to Marian Honor, to Britney Spears, and to One Direction. So keep on tuning in lamang dito sa
Manawag Dominican Radio 102.5 FM.
May pagtingin ka sa akin, ganun din naman ako sa'yo. Di mapagkali kapag di ka nakikita, baka kasi mabaling ka sa iba. Kahit paano pa ipilit, di pa rin may pagkaloob ng langit ang inaasam nating dalawa, na sana ay tayo na. Sana'y maghintay ka sa akin, aking mahal. Gustuhin ko man ay di pa nararapat.
kasama.
There's something I've got to say. You're always with me even though you're far away. Talking to you I must say, just the sound of your voice makes my heart melt. Oh girl, well it's true, I'm all about you. I'm all about us. No baby, you never have to question my love. And every night there's a new crowd, but it's always you I'm singing about. There is only one these words are going out to. Oh girl, I'm all about you. I know you worry sometimes. Some other girl will make me forget your mind. There's not a doubt in this world that anyone could take the place of my number one girl. It's true, I'm all about you. I'm all about us. No baby, you never have to question my love. And every night there's a new crowd, but it's always you I'm singing about. There is only one these words are going out to. Girl, I'm all about you. When I close my eyes, I can see you. It's like you're right here. And this feeling's only getting stronger. You're with me everywhere. I'm all about you. I'm all about us. No baby, you never have to question my love. And every night there's a new crowd, but it's always you I'm singing about. There is only one these words are going out to. I'm all about you. 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 I'm all about you.
Kasama natin to.
Ang talambuhay ng mga santo. Sa araw na ito, ika-17 ng Hulyo, aking pong ihahatid sa inyo ang talambuhay ni San Alejo. Si San Alejo, na anak ng mayamang senador Romano na si Eufemiano at si Aglaye, ay ipinanganak sa Roma noong ika-500 taon. Sa kanyang mga magulang ay natutunan niya ang pag-ibig sa Diyos at sa kapwa at ang pagkahilig sa gawang kabanalan. Sa araw ng kanyang kasal, si Alejo ay tumakas sa Syria upang mabuhay ng pulubi sa loob ng 17 taon. Doon sa bayan ng Edesa, si Alejo ay nakilalang isang taong banal dahil sa isang himala ng Birhen. Nagbalik siya sa kanyang bayan na di nagpapakilala sa kanyang mga kamag-anak at kaibigan at nag-anyo ang isang mahirap na tao na nagpapalimos sa pintuan ng simbahan at gula-gulanit ang damit. Nagkituloy siya sa tunay niyang ama na hindi siya nakikilala. Sa sariling tahanan, naging masama ang pakikitungo sa kanya ng mga alila. Ang kanyang tulugan ay sa silong ng hagdan at dito nabuhay sa loob ng 17 taon ng buong kapakumbabaan at pagtitiis alang-alang sa Diyos. Humigit kumulang si San Alejo ay namatay noong 417. Sa kanyang kamay ay natagpuan ang isang sulat na kinapapalooban ng kanyang pangalan at kasaysayan. Noon lamang nakilala ni Eufemiano ang kanyang anak na malaon nang hinahanap. Aral. Huwag kayong humatol at nang hindi kayo hatulan. Huwag kayong magpahamak at nang hindi kayo mapahamak. Magbigay kayo at kayo bibigyan, isang takal na mabuti, puno, siksik at umaapaw ang ibubuhos sa inyong kandungan, sapagkat ang panukat na isukat ninyo sa iba ay siya ring isusukat sa inyo. Wika ni Kristo. Atin pong napakinggan ang talambuhay ng mga santo, ang talambuhay ni San Alejo. Ito po muli si Sister Marieta Badwa O.P. of the Congregation of the Religious Missionaries of St. Dominic.
It's time for Afternoon Delight. Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
Okay, let's do this.
Hashtag in love, pumapag-ibig. Pa-selfie lang kumuha nang bigla siyang nandyan nang sumali. Pa-senti-senti lang nung una nang biglang napalitan ng smiley. Abot tengang napangiti, hindi ko napigilan. Parang kulang ang sandali at kay bilis naman. Teka lang muna, wait. Ganito pala ang pumapag-ibig. Napapasaya
Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
Manawag Dominican Radio.
Notice me, take my hand. What are we, strangers when our love is strong? Why carry on without me? Every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. I guess I need you, baby. And every time I see you in my dreams, I see your face. It's haunting me. I guess I need you, baby. I make believe that you are here. It's the only way I see clear. What have I done? You seem to move uneasy, and every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. I guess I need you, baby. And every time I see you in my dreams, I see your face. You're haunting me. I guess I need you, baby. I may have made it rain. Please forgive me. My weakness caused you pain, and this song's my sorry. At night I pray that soon your face will fade away. And every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. I guess I need you, baby. And every time I see you in my dreams, I see your face. You're haunting me. I guess I need you, baby.
Kasama natin to.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you make your hair gets me overwhelmed. that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yum.
Ayan, welcome back sa Manawag Dominican Radio 102.5 FM. At syempre sa mga kakatune in lang, pwede nyo pong bisitahin ang aming website sa
www.radyomanawag.com or sa www.eradioportal.com and sa manawagbasilika.org/manawag-radio or maaari nyo din kami i-contact sa aming Facebook and Twitter account sa Manawag Dominican Radio FM @gmail.com.
Sa mga gusto magpabot ng kanilang pagbati sa kanilang mga requested songs, pwede nyo po kami i-text sa numerong 0932-749-5154. At malugod namin ipi-play ang inyong mga songs. Ayan. As long as meron kami sa aming playlist. Ayan. And so, meron na po tayong 29 minutes after the hour of 3. Ang bilis-bilis naman po ng oras. Ayan. So, move on na naman tayo sa ating mga greetings. Kasamang Jody.
So yes, binabati natin ng good afternoon si Joyce Reyes, si Lina Vergara, si Warren Indino, kay Glenda Riano, kay Giancarlo Diaz Salupaso, kay Mary Grace Giledo Posadas, kay Josu Dalope, kay Wilma Montalban Season, kay Engelbert Ilamo at kay Ronaldo Villanueva.
Ayan, binabati ko rin ang ate ko dyan sa may Paranaque City na sa ate ko Rubilin. Ayan, pagaling ka. Sana wala na yung nararamdaman mong sakit and hoping na lahat ng check-ups mo may magandang outcome naman sana. Ayan, so ingat lagi. Love you. Ayan. Ayan. So, good afternoon and hello kay Neil Cacho Figarido, kay Jaime Nilmida, kay Rafaira Eteria. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Viloria Alain, kay Ivan kay Gigi Alcaraz Arnett. Ayan. Kay John Michael, kay Janelia Untalan Vesperas, kay Carlene Lizan de la Cruz, kay Kiel Acan, kay Lore Telesforo Racho and Tovinos Munoz. Ayan.
So yes, good afternoon din kay Jeneline Mulik, kay Jeff Soriano, kay Riz Cha, kay Adrian DC, kay Vince Nino Franco, kay Greg D. Misonia, kay Chris Teneri Doren, kay Edwin Nangnes, kay Stella Ibis.
Ayan. Hi din kay Marlene Indraka Antonaistin. Ayan. Hello din kay Jessie Laudino, kay James Dutarot. Ayan. To Daisy Bakay, kay Jonard Borse, kay Renz Adrayan, and to J.R. Sanchez Agbuya Jr. Ayan.
So yes, good afternoon din kay Fajardo Visperas Team, kay Sanidor B. Roast, kay James Arthur D. Guzman, kay Kamikura Hebelin, kay Julie Rose Sangab, kay Cheryl Solomon Torrio, kay Mimi Villanueva.
Ayan, so bago muna naman po namin kayo handugan ng another batch of song, another positive quotes po muna tayo mga kasama.
So yes, it's no matter who tries to teach you lessons about life, you won't understand it until you have to go through it on your own.
Ayan. Tamang-tama po yan. So, sabi nga, wala tayong karapatan sa bawat isa na husgahan sila or sabihan natin na kesyo ganyan, kesyo ganon. Kasi wala tayo sa kanilang lugar. So, mararamdaman natin yung hirap at saka hindi ganun kadali yung pinagdadaanan nila kapag ikaw yun nandun sa lugar nila. Kaya, as much as possible, magbigay tayo ng advice na alam naman natin na hindi naman, okay lang payuhan sila ng may konting, hindi yung masakit na salita, yung mga may lesson din. Pero, i-consider naman din natin yung hirap at saka yung nararamdaman nila kung ano talaga yung pinagdadaanan. So, ganun yun.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes, ganun.
Ikaw, anong pananaw mo kasama?
So, sabi nga dito, no matter who tries to teach you lessons about life, you won't understand it until you have to go through it. Kahit na gaano kadami pa yung isisiksik mo sa utak ng isang tao ng mga lessons, kung hindi naman ikaw yung nasa sitwasyon nila, hindi mo siya maiintindihan hanggang hindi ikaw yung nandun sa sitwasyon.
Di ba may mga point na sabi, ang tanga
yes,
mo, wag ganun, di ba? Siyempre, wala ka sa lugar nila,
yes,
di ba?
yes.
Usually, sa mga love life na yan, di ba?
Meron yung sinasabi na sobrang tanga mo. Pero hindi naman nila alam na iba yung pinagdadaanan mo sa pinagdadaanan nila.
Tama ka. Ayan. So, ayan muli mga kasama. So, mas maganda sana kung nakikibato din kayo ng opinion by means of texting us sa aming numero. Ayan. So, ayan. Another batch of song na naman po. So, keep on tuning in dito lang sa Manawag Dominican Radio
102.5 FM.
102.5, the music you grew up with.
You might not think you're a supermodel, but you look like one to me. I'd rather have your picture on my phone than on the cover of a magazine. It's hard to think that a girl like you could have any insecurities. It's funny how all the things you would change are all things that are cute to me. And I know you don't believe me, and you think that I'm a fool, but I don't care. Maybe you'll never see in you what I see. The little things you do that make me go crazy. I'm not crazy. You're perfectly perfect to me. You brush it off every time I tell you. Your smile lights up the room. And I'm guessing that you don't even notice. The whole world notices you. You think you're clumsy, I think you're cool. You say you're typical, but I think you rule. Sometimes I wonder if you'll ever believe that I wrote this song for you. Maybe you'll never see in you what I see. The little things you do that make me go crazy. I'm not crazy. You're perfectly perfect. Someday you're gonna see you're beautiful this way, and that you're always gonna make me go crazy. I'm not crazy. You're perfectly perfect to me. You don't have to try, change a single thing. It's just the way you are. It's sweeter than anything. Maybe I'm a fool, but it's always been you. 'Cause no one ever makes me smile the way you do. Maybe you'll never see in you what I see. The little things you do that make me go crazy. I'm not crazy. You're perfectly perfect. Someday you're gonna see you're beautiful this way, and that you're always gonna make me go crazy. I'm not crazy. You're perfectly perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfectly perfect to me. You're perfectly perfect to me.
It's time for Afternoon Delight. Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
So
natin to.
The Feast of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manawag will be on October 1, 2017, first Sunday of October. Novena Masses will begin on September 22 to September 30, 2017, every hour from 5 o'clock in the morning to 12 high noon. There will also be a Novena and Mass at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We invite you to participate in the said Novena Masses. Tune in to 102.5 FM Manawag Dominican Radio for the live airing of Novena and Mass at 7 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can also tune in and log on to our website at www.aradioportal.com or watch live at www.radyomanawag.com. You can also follow us on Facebook at Manawag Dominican Radio and on YouTube, Manawag Dominican Radio FM.
102.5, 102.5. 102.5 plays more music. 102.5.
Too soon, the angels can wait for a moment. Come real close, forget the world outside. Tonight we're alone, it's finally you and I. When I look at my life, how the pieces fall into place, it just wouldn't right without you. When I see how my path seemed to end up before your face, the state of my heart, the place where we are, was written in the stars. By your side, through the laughter and pain, together we're bound to fly. I wasn't meant to love like this, not without you. 'Cause when I look at my life, how the pieces fall into place, just one place where we are was written in the stars.
The Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
Manawag Dominican Radio.
Sa hindi inaasahan, pagtatagpo ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na nandugtong, damang-dama na ang ugong nito. Di pa ba sapat ng sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo? Ibinubunyakan ang iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta. Ba't di papatulan ang pagsuyong na kulang? Tayo gumaasang hilag at kanluran. Ikaw ang hantungan at bilang kanlungan mo, ko ang sasagip sa'yo. Saan nga ba patungo? Kaya bakit naiiwanan ang bagyo ng tadhana ay dinadala ko sa init ng bisig mo, at di pa sabihin ang hindi mo maamin. Ipaubayan na lang ba to sa hangin? Huwag mo ikatakot ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Naririto ako, nakikinig sa'yo. Oh, oh,
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
Ayan, welcome back sa ating programang Afternoon Delight dito lang sa Manawag Dominican Radio. Ayan, so meron na po tayong 5 minutes na lang po natitira sa oras ng alas 3. Ayan, before we hit the hour of 4. Ayan, so kasama ang Jody. Kamusta ka na dyan?
Okay naman po.
Hindi ka naman nilalamig.
Ay, sorry. Hindi naman po.
Ayan, na, gutom na si kasama ang Jody. Nanggugulo na. Oh, charot. Ayan, so kasama ang Jody, back sa ating greetings. May greetings ba tayo?
So, yes, binabati ko nga pala yung lolo ko na nasa Region 1 pa din hanggang ngayon. Get well soon, lolo.
Ayan, get well soon po. Pagaling-galing na po.
Yes.
Huwag na pong soon, ngayon na.
Get well now.
Ayan. So, kasama Jody.
So, yes, binabati natin ng good afternoon si James Arthur de Guzman, si Julie Rose Sangab, kay Cheryl Solomon Torrio, kay Mimi Villanueva, kay Sherry D. Albano, kay Jackie Martinez, kay Dan Jo Salazar, kay Irene Ditalo, kay Iya Sulaba at kay Pau Bailan.
Ayan, hi and good afternoon din kay Esperanza Verbo, kay Hilda Asin Duarte, kay Zanir Adelena Drangoy, kay Danny Arceo, kay Arlis Sa, kay Michael Rigacho, and to Jomalyn Magigad Cariaga. Hi and good afternoon din kay Rainy Viloria, kay Azer Silam, kay Alma Parenas, kay Jeffrey J. Dumantay, kay Melanie Ibay, kay Maricon Espinosa Bautista, kay Hans Jerome Manehad Dionio. Ayan, at good afternoon din sa may bahay ni Moy na si Melanie at sa kanyang anak na bibong-bibo na si Aaron. Ayan, good afternoon.
So yes, hello and good afternoon din kay Velasco Ivy, kay Grendel Dikeno Fajardo, kay Wenilyn Huffman, kay Aloha Lay, kay Heidi Galanote Molina, kay Lovely Dicano, kay Yuan Ai, kay Luisa De La Rosa at kay Criza Aquino Pimentel.
Ayan, so bago na naman po kami magpatuloy sa ating batch of songs, another positive quotes na naman po tayo.
So it's a quote from Mother Teresa. You can do what I cannot do. I can do what you cannot do. Together we can do great things.
Ayan, simple-simple lamang po. Marami, ayan po, ibang-iba po talaga pag yung we do things in a group. Gano'n, mas, kumbaga, kung magandang i-share kung ano yung kaya mong gawin, tsaka kung anong kayang gawin ng iba, you can do, ayan nga, may matatapos kayo kay mangyayaring mas maganda. Kumbaga sa project, kung di niya kaya mag-drawing, kaya mo, tapos sa kanya, kaya naman niyang sabihin na natin sa sayaw o kaya arte, parang gano'n, para makabuo kayo ng magandang project. Parang gano'n yun.
Yes,
diba?
and lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang forte eh. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang kagalingan. Pag yung mga bagay na yun pinagsama, magkakaroon tayo ng magagandang bagay.
Perfect. Ayan. So, later on, moving on na naman tayo sa ating batch of songs. Pero, prayer muna tayo for the hour of 4. Ayan. So, keep on tuning in lamang po dito lang sa Manawag Dominican Radio
102.5 FM.
Our time now is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Let us now have our time check prayer.
Panalangin ng mag-anak. O Jesus, pinupuri ka namin pinagrarangalan dahil sa iyong walang hanggang pagmamahal sa sangkatauhan. Pinasasalamatan ka namin sa mga biyayang iyong bigay. Minsan pa, inihandog namin sa iyo ang aming sarili, sampu ng aming kagalakan at pagsubok sa buhay. Loobin mo, Panginoon, na ang aming tahanay pagharian ng pag-ibig, kapayapaan, pagkakaisa at kalinisan ng kalooban. Ingatan nawa ang pagpalain kaming naririto, pati na ang mga wala rito. Kami mga nabubuhay at mga nasa kabilang buhay. Mahal na Birhen Maria, mapagmahal na ina, na aming Panginoong Yesus at ina naming lahat, ipinapanalangin mo rin ang aming pamilya sa lahat ng aming pamilya, lalo na ang mga sanggol at mga kabataan. Mahal na Pintakasing Jose, gabay ni Jesus at ni Maria, ipanhik mo sa Panginoong Diyos na ingatan ang aming mag-anak at ilayo sa anumang kapamakan, upang sa gayon, sa piling mo at ni Jesus at Maria, ay mapanatiling buo ang aming pamilya. Amen.
Mula sa sa Manawag Dominican Broadcasting Incorporated. Napapakinggan sa buong mundo sa pamamagitan ng www.eradioportal.com at www.radyomanawag.com. May kasama ka si Jesus, si Maria at kami.
I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above, I can right what is wrong, I can sing just any song, I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky, I can be a good friend, I can love you until the end. What took you so long to make me see how lucky I am, 'cause I am free, free to do the things I wanna do. What took you so long to make me feel I can give love, love so real? What took you so long to let me know that I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above, I can right what is wrong, I can sing just any song, I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky, I can be a good friend, I can love you until the end. What took you so long to make me cry? So I will know the reason why. I'm so lucky I can smile. I didn't know this for a while. I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above, I can right what is wrong, I can sing just any song, I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky, I can be a good friend, I can love you until the I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky, I can be a good friend, I can love you until the end.
It's time for Afternoon Delight. Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. 'Cause they fill the open air and leave teardrops everywhere. You'd think me rude, but I would just stand and stare. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. just hanging by a thread. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. Leave my door open just a crack, 'cause I feel like such an insomniac. Why do I tire of counting sheep when I'm far too tired to fall asleep? To 10 million fireflies, I'm weird 'cause I hate goodbyes. I got misty eyes as they said farewell, but I'll know where several are if my dreams get real bizarre, 'cause I saved a few and I keep them in a jar. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, because my dreams are bursting at the seams.
Kasama natin to.
Saang sulok ng langit kung matatagpuan, kapalaran di natitikman, sa pangarap lang namasdan. Isang lingon sa langit at isang iting wakas, may dalang kikislap, gabay patungo sa tamang landas. Unti-unting mararating kalangitan at bituin. Unti-unting kinabukasan ko'y magniningning. Hawak ngayon, tibay ng damdamin. Bukas naman sa'kin pag-isip, kapiling ko'y pangarap na bituin. Ilang sulok ng lupa, may kubaling nalulumbay, mga sanay sa isang kahit, isang tukang pamumuhay. Isang lingon sa langit, nais magbagong buhay, sa ating mga palad, nakasalalay ang ating bukas. Unti-unting mararating kalangitan at bituin. Unti-unting kinabukasan ko'y magniningning. Hawak ngayon, tibay ng damdamin. Bukas naman sa'king pag-isip, kapiling ko'y pangarap na bituin. Kapiling ko'y pangarap na bituin. Unti-unting pangarap na bituin. Bukas naman sakit pag-isip, kapiling ko'y pangarap na bituin.
The Afternoon Delight
at 102.5
Manawag Dominican Radio.
Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Lahat na mismo nasa'yo. Ang ganda, ang bait, ang talino, inggit lahat sila sa'yo. Kahit pa itapat man kanino. Kaya nung lumapit ka sa'kin ay bigla akong nahilo. Hindi akalaing sabihin mong ako na yon ang hinahanap mo. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Kinikilig pa rin ako, ang sarap magmahal pag panalo. Nag-iisa sa puso ko, di kaya di na ba magbabago. Ako ang pinili sa dami ng ibang nirereto. Hindi akalain sabihin mo nga ako na lang ang kulang sa iyo. Oh, nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kitang tapat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Oh, 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 na nasa'yo na ang lahat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat.
Love you po kasama.
be the same. Even if you hurt me, I would take the blame. You are all I'm living for. I would love you even more. I would keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me that I have come to love you. I see, because the heart I have could only want you. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever, I will wait until the world is through. When all that's left is only me and you. You are all I'm living for. I would love you even more. I would keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me that I have come to love you. I see, because the heart I have could only want you. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever, I will wait until the world is through. I'd wait for you, you know it's true, until I cannot be with you. When all that's left is only me and
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
Welcome again sa ating programang Afternoon Delight dito lang sa Manawag Dominican Radio
102.5 FM.
At meron na po tayong 21 minutes after the hour of 4 at maya-maya po ay kailangan na po namin magpaalam para bigyan daan ang ating third live mass. So, kasama Jody.
So,
last batch na po ng greetings muna natin bago po namin ibigay yung announcement po.
So yes, hello. Binabatin natin ng hello and good afternoon si Biascan Jonathan, si Efren Paragas Minsalvas, kay Sheila May Ubando Perez, kay Abalos de Venecia Jade, kay Valerie Ubando, kay Robin Romero Mer, kay Franny Sim at kay Mark Smith.
Hi and good afternoon din at salamat kay Eileen Simon Daos Mayandok, kay Caroline Palafox Clasara, and to Christopher Banyes II, Esther Faith Tugade Tolentino, kay Joshua Aquino, kay Janice Stanley Luntungan, kay Aaron Mateo Kamit, to Lucas Sabdaning Ningrat, ayan, and also kay Geraldine Eugenio Filizarte, kay Prince Kalugay Zacarias, kay Daniel Jonah, and to Andrew Von Medina, ayan.
So yes, hello and good afternoon din kay Alchester Gabriel, kay Jermaine Pascua Sobrepeña, kay Merlinda Yanes Minor, kay Lynn Arojado, kay Heidi Lalimamo Dakanay, kay Jeffrey Pistolero Tandingan, kay Rosauro Ricafrente Vera Cruz Jr. at kay Christopher Estrada.
Hi and hello kay Patricia Via Manuel Cañete, kay Dennis Petrache, kay Rose Anvinluan Santa Cruz, kay Teresa Marines. Ayan, hello, katukayo, ayan. Ayan, to Mickey Ferios, kay Jovel Velez Cagayat, kay Oscar Ora, kay Vanessa Lanin Zaragoza, and to Keisha Pearl Dacal Arante.
So, hello and good afternoon din kay Cheryl Mamaril Hasildo, kay Purita Tobias, kay Marge Gerlan, kay Om Kayvay, and kay Cho Ogali Irisel.
Ayan, at sa mga kakatune in lamang po at sa gusto po makinig at manood ng live mass po, you can visit our website sa www.radyomanawag.com, sa www.aradioportal.com, at sa manawagbasilica.org /radyomanawag. Ayan.
Pwede nyo din kaming i-visit sa aming Facebook or Twitter account sa Manawag Dominican Radio FM at gmail.com, or pwede nyo kaming i-text sa aming cellphone number na 0932-749-5154.
You can also follow us on YouTube at Manawag Dominican Radio FM. Ayan po mga kasama. So, huwag niyo po sanang kaligtaan ang mag-tune in para po makapag-participate po tayo no matter how far we are sa Manawag. Ayan, para makapag-participate po tayo sa ating live mass. So, here's the last batch of song para sa ating, bago po kami paalam. Ayan, so, at bago po namin ibahagi ang announcement, mamaya na po yan. So, antabayanan nyo na lang po mga kasama. So, keep on tuning in dito lang sa Manawag Dominican Radio
102.5 FM.
Waking up to see that everything is okay. The first time in my life and now it's so great. Slowing down, I look around and I'm so amazed. I think about the little things that make life great. I wouldn't change a thing about it. This is the best feeling. This innocence is brilliant. I hope that it will stay. This moment is perfect. Please don't go away. I need you now, and I'll hold on to it. Don't you let it pass you by. Place so safe, not a single tear. The first time in my life and now it's so clear. Feel calm, I belong, I'm so happy here. It's so strong and now I let myself be sincere. I wouldn't change a thing about it. This is the best feeling. This innocence is brilliant. I hope that it will stay. This moment is perfect. Please don't go away. bye.
The Afternoon Delight.
At 102.5.
Manawag Dominican Radio.
Lalaki ay handa itong hamakin ang lahat. Gagawin lahat ng paraan upang makamtan ka at hindi niya kakayanin na ikaw ay mawala sa kanya. Kung panay ang dahilan, huwag kang magtsatsaga. Ba't ikaw handa kang ibigay lahat? Oo na, sige na, alam kong mahal mo siya. Ang tanong ay mahal ka rin ba niya? Huwag mo siyang tanungin, sagutin mo na ang sarili mo. Alam mo ang totoo, alam mo ang totoo. Lagi mong tatandaan na pag umibig ang isang lalaki ay handa itong hamakin ang lahat. Gagawin lahat ng paraan upang makamtan ka at hindi niya kakayanin na ikaw ay mawala sa kanya. Kung ika'y nalulungkot, abay huwag kang mayayamot. Di ba't ikaw ang siyang may ayaw bumitaw? Kung feeling mo mahal ka niya, edi sige lumaban ka. Pero sana'y pinaglalaban ka rin niya. Huwag mo siyang kulitin, dapat kusa niyang gagawin ang iyong hinihiling. Di mo pwedeng hingin. Lagi mong tatandaan na pag umibig ang isang lalaki ay handa itong hamakin ang lahat. Gagawin lahat ng paraan upang makamtan ka at hindi niya kakayanin na ikaw ay mawala sa kanya. Huwag kang matatakot na talikuran ang lahat ng ito. At kung hayaan kanyang mawala, at least alam mong di siya para sa'yo. Lagi mong tatandaan na pag umibig ang isang lalaki ay handa itong hamakin ang lahat. Gagawin lahat ng paraan upang makamtan ka at hindi niya kakayanin na ikaw ay mawala. Basta't lagi mong tatandaan na pag umibig ang isang lalaki ay handa itong hamakin ang lahat. Gagawin lahat ng paraan upang makamtan ka at hindi niya kakayanin na ikaw ay mawala sa kanya.
Love you po kasama.
patawarin. Pasensya ka na at di ko na rin madama, kay tagal kitang hinihintay. Pasensya ka na, kaya ko nang mag-isa, kalayaan sa kamay ng lumbay. Ikaw na rin ang nagsabi, tapos na ang lahat. Uunahin na ang sarili, makuha lang ang sapat. Huwag ka sanang magtampo, mas mabuti nang ako'y lumayo. Lumayo. Pasensya ka na at di ko na rin madama, kay tagal kitang hinihintay. Pasensya ka na, kaya ko nang mag-isa, kalayaan sa kamay ng lumbay. Pasensya ka na at di ko na rin matama, kay tagal kitang hinihintay. Pasensya ka na, kaya ko nang mag-isa, kalayaan sa kamay ng lumbay. Pasensya ka na at di ko na rin madama, kay tagal kitang hinihintay. Pasensya ka na at kaya ko nang mag-isa, kalayaan sa kamay ng lumbay. Pasensya ka na. Pasensya ka na. Pasensya ka na. Pasensya ka na.
Kasama natin to.
Anong ligaya ang nadarama pag ika'y kasama na? Puso ko'y walang pangamba. Pangako ko, pag-ibig ko'y iyong-iyo saan man makarating. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Habang buhay, ikaw at ako ang magkasama. Sa hirap at ginhawa habang buhay, sumpa ko'y ikaw lang.
pangako mo, tayo habang buhay. Habang buhay, ikaw at ako ang magkasama. Sa hirap at ginhawa habang buhay, sumpa ko'y ikaw lang, walang iba. Pangako ko ito. Habang buhay, ikaw at ako ang magkasama. Sa hirap at ginhawa habang buhay, sumpa ko'y ikaw lang, walang iba. Pangako ko ito. Habang buhay. Pangako ko sa'yo, sa hirap at ginhawa, sumpa ko ikaw lang. Pangako ko ito. Habang habang buhay.
The Afternoon Delight.
With Kasamang JT and Kasamang Yam.
Welcome back dito sa Manawag Dominican Radio 102.5 FM. Ayan. So, meron na po tayong quarter to 5 na po tayo. So, ibig sabihin, oras na naman po para kami po ay magpaalam. So, kasamang Jody.
So yes, thank you so much po sa lahat ng nakitune in po sa amin.
Ayan. At before kami muli magpaalam, last batch of pahabol na greetings po. Hi and good afternoon at maraming salamat po sa paglalike sa amin kay Samuel Paraga Soriano Jr., kay Reynan Torres, kay Jovi Esguerra, kay Vince Cortez, kay Remil de Guzman, kay Marisa Manding Uson, and also kay Marivic Malong.
Yes, thank you so much din kay Gina Lopez, kay Christopher Agisap, kay Ernie, kay Angelica Idades Berot, kay Tina Bautista Samson Bondad, kay Cyril Sindanya, kay Una Segundo, kay Rocky Campena, kay Idolembi Eravache, kay Emil Padilla, kay Christy Verona Ducusen Vejerano at kay Raynel Viray.
Ayan, at bago po kami ulit magpaalam, may announcement po kami. Okay, the Feast of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manawag will be on October 1, 2017, first Sunday of October. Novena Masses will begin at September 22 to September 30, 2017, every hour from 5 o'clock in the morning to 12 high noon. There will also be Novena Mass at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we invite you to participate in said Novena Masses.
Tune in to 102.5 FM Manawag Dominican Radio for live airing of Novena and Mass at 7 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can also tune in and log on to our website at www.eradioportal.com or watch at www.radiomanawag.com. You can also follow us on Facebook at Manawag Dominican Radio and on YouTube Manawag Dominican Radio FM.
Ayan po. So, muli, maraming salamat po sa mga sumalo sa aming hapon na ito. Lalong-lalo na po sa mga kababayan natin abroad na walang sawa na sumusubaybay po sa atin. Every post po, every masses po, andyan po sila para nakikiparticipate. They comment, they hit likes, and also they give love reactions po. Maraming salamat po. At naway gabayan po kayo lagi po ng may kapal. Ayan. So, may pasasalamatan ka pa ba kasama, Jody?
Thank you so much po sa lahat ng nakitune in. Wag po kayong magsasawang suportahan po ang Manawag Dominican Radio.
And again, Ito po ang inyong programang Afternoon Delight. Programa nyo tuwing hapon ng Lunes sa oras ng 1:00 hanggang 5:00 po ng hapon. At ito po ang inyong lingkod na si Kasamang Yam.
At ako naman si Kasamang Jody.
Saying, goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They simply mean I'll miss you until we meet again. So mga kasama, bye! Dito lang sa Manawag Dominican Radio. At please lang po, antabayanan nyo po ang ating live mass po. Ayan, so keep on tuning lamang po.
Dito lang po sa Manawag Dominican Radio 102.5 FM.
It's not the end of the road. We got a long way to go. Just trust in God if some